Okay, so time for a love reading today. Okay, so as you can see, the topic is what's next in love. Okay, so with that question in mind, I would like you to pick one of the three piles. The first one is the citrine stone, the yellow colored one. The second one is the lapis lazuli, blue. And the third one is the red jasper. Okay, so there will be a clearer picture of the stones in the thumbnail, so you can choose from there as well. Please pause your videos and pick your pile. Okay, so pile number one with the citrine stone. What's next in love? Let's have a look. I have pre-shuffled cards which I have not opened, so let's start. Leadership, lovers, very appropriate. Okay. King of Cups and no place like home. Okay, and if you notice, like the first thing I noticed was everything is in blue here. Okay, if you notice, this card is blue, this is green and blue, this is aqua, this is blue. So I am sensing like a lot of communication that is coming your way in terms of love. Okay, pile one, in terms of love, there's a lot of communication that is coming your way next in love. Now I do want to see like what exactly are the numbers here. I'm actually seeing 5 and 6. Okay, so it's possible this might happen in the next 5 to 6 weeks or 5 to 6 months. Okay, whatever this is, which I will get into. All right, pile number one. Okay, so you know what, the first thing that I'm getting here with the no place like home card. See guys, this, I think a lot of you at this time are like in a very cozy and like, you know, like a comfort zone sort of a place. Okay, like that's what no place like home indicates to me. You know, you're in a very like, you know, maybe you are in isolation, because if I look at like, you know, the card here, there is a home and it's up in the sky, you know, and generally anything that is tall means it's like, you know, isolation, right? Isolation, unreachable. So it's possible that, you know, like you guys are at this time in a place where you probably don't want to put yourself out there. Okay, or you just want your own space, you are in hermit mode, and you know, you don't want to deal with the external world, or you don't want to date, or stuff like that. That's the sense I'm getting with this card. Okay, you have your own world. All right, I think you love your home. Pile number one. Okay, and I think that gives you a lot of light and a lot of like, I don't know, I'm just getting a very different energy here. Okay, it's like your place, your home is your haven. Okay, and I really feel at this time in terms of love, you guys do have hope. Okay, there is a light of hope here that I see you know, beaming down, but it's almost like you are manifesting. Yeah, you're manifesting your love life, maybe consciously, maybe subconsciously, I'm not sure. Okay, but you guys are hopeful that love is going to come into your life, and you are meanwhile, you know, in your own comfort zone, in your haven, you know, just like having a lot of hope. Okay, having a lot of hope that this is going to happen is what I would say. Okay, now what is next in love? Honestly, I really am getting, to be frank, I'm getting something about some sort of a, I mean, I know this is not love related, but I have a feeling that there is some sort of a leadership role that is coming to you, or there is a person who is a leader, you know, who's coming into your life. Okay, you may or may not know this person. Okay, please apply as fits. All right, but one scenario I'm getting is that you guys are maybe going to head out now. Okay, I'm seeing literally this polar bear come out and like head out. That's the sense I'm getting, like head out into the world now, that sort of a feeling. So one scenario is that you guys are heading out now. Maybe you guys are going to join some sort of a I don't know, organization, company, work or something like that, maybe with a leadership role. Okay, that's one. It's like a story, okay, so please bear with me. So that is one. Or you are having some sort of partnership, okay, with a person who's in a leadership position. Okay, this King of Cups. All right. So this is what I'm getting. I'm actually getting that, like your time for isolation, your time for being lonely and just hoping and wishing that, someone would come into your life with love. Okay, that's getting over, because this is also a number 5, which is the number of change. So this isolation is ending and you are stepping out. Now, how are you stepping out? Either you are getting a leadership role or some sort of a work thing, okay, some sort of a work offer, okay, which has a leadership role. And the second thing that I'm getting over here is that maybe you're going to be in partnership with a person who is in a pretty big leadership role. I mean, that is what I'm getting for like maybe 60 to 70% of you. Okay, the second scenario. However, the first scenario also applies. If it applies to you, please take it. Okay, but you are what's happening is that you are heading out into the world now. Okay, and I do see you with this polar bear here. I do see you quite strong. Okay, like if at one point you felt vulnerable in your love life, you were healing, you were hurt, or you were scared of getting into a love connection, okay, all of that is like done. Okay, you are going to be feeling very hopeful. You're going to be feeling very powerful. Polar bears are very powerful. Okay, so what spirit is trying to tell you here is that you are primed for love now. Okay, you are strong enough to welcome love into your life and you're primed for it. And I do sense that this love that is coming into your life, which is a huge and beautiful love, pile 1, okay, this is going to be coming to you when you step out there. It's not coming to your doorstep, by the way. Okay, you have to go. All right, you have to go out there and then it's going to happen. This is what I'm getting. Now that could be through work or that could be through a partnership. All right, now if I were to go by scenario, if this is like you being given some sort of a leadership role or something like that, it's possible this could be in partnership with this King of Cups. Okay, a person who is very, very emotionally mature, very protective, very what do you call it? Yeah, very protective person, very emotionally understanding, would understand your flaws or whatever weaknesses you have. They are the ones who are going to pump you up, okay, and make you like this leader. Okay, so if let's say you get into partnership with this person, okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting this for pile 1 for the first scenario. If you guys you might be a little bit here and there's a big decision coming out. Okay, there's a big decision coming up right now the next what's coming is there's a big decision coming up, because Lovers is the card of choice as well, right? Like, do you want to step out there or not? Because maybe you guys are like, very used to your isolation. But you are going to be helped by this person. You are going to be made like this leadership, like this polar bear. You're going to be made this polar bear with this person's help. Okay, there is a very significant person who's coming up next in your love life. Okay, however, I don't sense that this is like, yeah, I don't know why I'm getting this, but for some of you, I feel this might be like a love at first sight situation. Okay, this might be something to do with a partnership, something to do with work, something to do with you going out there and all that. But there is going to be some sort of a love at first sight situation here. Okay, pile number one. All right, maybe this is the person. This is the person coming into your life, and when you see them, there's going to be a sense of recognition, familiarity, love at first sight, attraction, all of that, and it's going to be mutual. All right. However, I am getting that there is a decision here that you're going to be making, which is very important, which will launch you into some sort of a leadership position, and this person is going to help you out. Maybe this might be a boss or a mentor or a teacher or even a friend for that matter. Maybe you're going to meet them first and then proceed for this partnership, and this person is going to help you out in becoming this like this strong person who can take on a leadership role. Okay, that's what I'm getting for the first scenario. Okay, now in the second scenario, I was getting that there is some person who is in a leadership position. Actually, both of these scenarios kind of combine. Okay, I do sense that, like, whatever this partnership is that is coming up for you guys, okay, this is going to be like, this is going to be involving this King of Cups person. Okay, and I really feel that this person is in a very strong position of power. I don't know why I'm getting that for a lot of you. Maybe this person is very, very, like, powerful. Yeah, powerful, maybe in the external world, like they hold some authority or something like that, but they are going to be a very, very big support to you, pile number one. Like, I literally see this guy carrying this girl. Okay, irrespective of gender. Okay, please apply as fits. I do see both of you are going to gel very well. There is so much emotion. There's going to be so much emotion, especially this person, I feel, who's coming into your life next. You may or may not know them. Okay, this person is someone who has vast emotion for you. Okay, is going to have or has. Okay, if you know this person already has a lot of emotions for you. Okay, and if you don't know them, it's going to be love at first sight, and then they're going to show you how strongly they feel. If I pair up King of Cups and leadership, this person's going to take the lead in this connection. Okay, so yeah, this person is going to take the lead in this connection, and they're going to express their love like full on. This person has a lot of, like, love, to give to you. Okay, whether, if you know them, they already harbor these feelings. If you don't know them, this person is going to have these feelings, like very strong feelings for you. Okay, I'm seeing a partner here with the lovers. Okay, you are meeting, for a lot of you, I do feel, with No Place Like Home, lovers, and King of Cups, I really feel this is like a love of a lifetime that you're meeting up with. Okay, this is your home. This person is going to be your home. This person is someone who's going to feel familiar, who's going to feel comfortable, whom you'll have probably instant compatibility and attraction with. I'm also seeing that this person wants to I am getting this person might be someone, like, in a position of authority or power or leadership, because I just saw the crown and then the polar bear, right? Yeah, there is some very important person. Like, I mean, obviously it would be important to you. Okay, but there is some importance to this person in the external world. Okay, it's possible that this person is in some position of power, is what I'm getting. But this is a very nice person. I mean, I am getting that you might be a little bit intimidated, okay, when you see this person, but this person is actually very, very beautiful, very sympathetic, very empathetic. Okay, but I do feel that you are meeting the love of your life. There's going to be so much of comfort here. You guys are going to feel like home to each other. Like, I see No Place Like Home, and I see these two people, like, literally wrapped up around each other. I have to cover this a little bit. I'm so sorry with YouTube rules. Okay, and I honestly feel that there is a very significant and very strong connection sent to you by the universe that's coming your way. This is full-blown love. Like, this is true love that's coming your way, pile number one. Okay, I mean, I can't, like, go on further here. There's also the number 5 here. There's a big change in your life that's coming up. in terms of love. Okay, I really feel that you're not going to be alone anymore. You're not going to be stuck at home anymore. You're going to be with this person. You're probably another hit I had was that maybe you guys are going to be working in some sort of a leadership position or to become leaders in some way with some partnership here. There is some partnership feeling here as well. Okay, so if this is work, it's going to start as a partnership and then go on to love. If this is like, just like a meeting, this is going to be like a love at first sight, comfort, recognition, and a lot of love. Okay, that is going to make you feel very confident. That's what I'm getting. Yeah. Pile one, like, I don't know, maybe you guys have been like, a little reclusive, I feel, in terms of love. Okay, you've been isolated, you've been reclusive, maybe you didn't want to put yourself out there, but after you meet this person, pile number one, you are going to feel like this. You're going to feel very strong. Okay, you're going to feel very confident, very strong. This is a blessing of a person that the universe is sending your way. Okay, this connection is also going to bloom. Like, I see so many flowers and stuff over here. This connection is going to bloom beautifully. Okay, this is like, I'm getting like it's in the stars. Okay, that this happens. I'm seeing stars everywhere, right? So this is perhaps someone that you have hoped for many, like I don't know if you knew if that this could be like you could find this person, but you are finding this person, and because of their presence in your life, pile number one, you are going to feel like a leader. You're going to feel like very, very confident, very sure of yourself, very sure of what you want, and in general just like very, very confident. Okay, the other message I was getting is there is something here to do with work as well. I'm getting a mixed energy here. A partnership that leads to love is what I'm hearing. Okay, a partnership that leads to love. All right, so that is another thing that I'm getting. Now I am getting a little bit of a description here about your person. See, I really feel this person might be like within or without or both. Okay, this person might be very strong. Okay, like strongly built. I am seeing a guy with like a six-pack. Okay, so might be very strongly built, I would say. I'm also getting that this person, like physically, I told you, like they look really strong and powerfully built, but I really feel this person also holds some sort of a leadership position. Okay, this is also your soulmate. All right, I really feel this person's very empathetic. Like, honestly, I feel like they're literally going to be like, I don't know, you guys are going to be on the same page. Okay, if I remove this card, like if you can look at it, like you guys are like literally intertwined is what I'm getting. These guys are both wrapped up in each other. So I am sensing there's going to be a beautiful phase of love that's starting off for you guys with this person entering your life. But for that, I am sensing that there is a big decision coming your way. Okay, to put yourself out there. Put yourself out there in the sense, step out into the world. Okay, this person is going to help you. Okay, this person is someone who's like, I don't know, they just want to support you, they just want to help you. This person has a lot of emotion. If they are going to have a lot of emotion, or they already have a lot of emotion. Like, I think this person is just literally bursting out with so much emotion. Okay, but honestly guys, the cards I'm getting over here, see, I really feel pile number one, with this leadership and this no place like home cards, see, I am seeing a lot of loneliness. Okay, that maybe you guys have been in. All right, but all of that is going away. It's coming up like a burst of sunshine. All right, this connection with this person, it's coming up like a burst of sunshine in your life. I think you guys are going to have your own like bubble, honestly. It's like, this is right above no place like home, right? Yeah, it's like there's a period of time coming in your life in terms of love, where you are going to meet a person, a soulmate, okay, who's who's being sent by the universe to you. But I do feel after the meeting, I am getting for a lot of you love at first sight or compatibility at first sight or something like that. But more than that, I'm getting you guys are going to be in like a bubble of some sort. Okay, like if you look at it, these guys are all twined up, intertwined, and then there's a bubble here. Okay, so you guys are going to be in a very beautiful world of your own. Maybe spending time alone with each other, getting to know each other, confession of love, expressions of love, until this connection strengthens. This is what is coming next. Okay, like I do feel there's still a little bit of more time, because I think you are kind of like being you're kind of being made a bit strong, to enter into this phase. But I am sensing what's next in love is a person coming, whichever way they come, through a work offer, through a partnership, through maybe just meeting up with this person someday and just kind of like getting along with them, whatever way you guys meet. Okay, there is a bubble love, there is a term called bubble love. Okay, there's a bubble love phase coming into your life next. Okay, and you guys are going to be like, I don't know, in some sort of a heavenly up there place. You're gonna feel like your feet are not touching the ground. You literally are gonna feel like you're in a haven with this person, is what I'm hearing. Okay, like there is no one else that both of you wanna be with, and I am sensing you might spend a lot of time with each other as well. Okay, and this is a very beautiful person. This is a very strong person. This is someone who's going to stand up for love, stand up for you. They're a very sympathetic and empathetic, caring individual. Okay, and I'm also getting into a little bit in terms of them. They might hold some position of power. Okay, but pile number one, to recap, I would say that honestly, in love, okay, there is a very beautiful phase of love that is coming in. If you know a person already, if you know this King of Cups, then this is where you're going with them. Okay, you are going to be in a beautiful, like I don't know, I'm getting all that, like roses, candlelight, and all the mush and all of that. Okay, wow, such a positive pile. Okay, so all of that is coming. Okay, whether you know this person or not. All right, for people who don't know, I think you guys are meeting in some way, and then this is going to start relatively fast, I feel, because this is a very strong connection coming your way. Okay, I don't know, with the leadership card here, I am sensing it's almost like the universe sent this person to you. Okay, it's a very strong connection coming your way, full of love, full of emotion. Okay, I'm also seeing spiritual. Okay, it's some sort of a soul connection here. Okay, and this is a connection that's not going to break. It's going to be a very strong connection. For a lot of you, I feel this might be your life partner or your spouse that's coming your way. Okay, you are going to be on the same page in terms of love. They will love you as much as you love them. Okay, but the additional thing I'm getting about this is that your person is like this is a very different person. Okay, and I do sense this might be the masculine energy. I mean, they're strong, maybe on the outside they look like really strong and this and that, and so you might wonder like, maybe they're like not very sensitive. But no, this person's very, very, very sensitive, very emotionally giving person. And both of you are going to be sharing of your love after a long time of like, I don't know, like building yourself up, being confident, learning, being in isolation. I'm literally seeing like magnets, two magnets like literally coming together. Yeah, I feel like maybe you guys might be in union in the 5D, but that's for very spiritual people. But this is like two magnets coming together, two polarities coming together with a lot of love, maturity, wisdom, strength. This is a beautiful love connection, pile one. Cherish it, okay, and be thankful is what I would say. Okay, bye. Okay, so pile number two with the lapis lazuli. What is coming next in love? Let's see. Wow, power. Ooh. Wow, Fool. Interesting. Ten of Swords. Okay. Never ending story. Oh, this is a very straightforward pile, I must say. I don't have to meander around and think. All right. All right. Okay, so pile number 2. See what I'm sensing here with you guys, what's coming next in love. See, I feel you are in this energy where I have a feeling that you have been wanting someone in your life, or you have been wanting love, in your life in general. It's possible you have gone through multiple endings. It's possible you have gone through very tough connections, and you just are holding your head at this time thinking that nothing will ever happen to you. Okay, nothing is going to come in love. All right, and I do feel it's been quite some time because I do see an hourglass here, right? So I am seeing that this is ending very abruptly and very strongly. This entire energy, of you guys feeling like you'll never find love, or that you just attract wrong connections, this and that. I am sensing with the power and the Ten of Swords, as well as the Fool, as a matter of fact, okay? This entire thing is ending in like one shot. I don't know why I'm getting that, okay? There is a very strong shift actually that is coming up for you guys, pile number 2, okay, which is going to end any of your sadness, desolation, this and that. Even if you're not sad and feeling desolate, this could be just a very still time in your love life, and for quite some time, I feel, okay? I really feel there might have been betrayals as well that you've faced, very, very tough betrayals, and you just like, curled up and went to sleep on love, okay? I really feel that. And this was essential. I'm hearing spirit say that this was essential for your healing. You have probably been healing till now, pile number 2, okay, and now your healing is coming to an end. All right. Yeah, honestly, I'm not exactly seeing like a person here, like 2 people. I am seeing one. There's no one here. Okay, so what I'm getting is your period of healing is getting done, and you are now going to find new vitality, new hope for love again, okay? And you will then start a fresh new journey with hope and with light, and with a lot of positivity. You're not going to be in this energy. I don't know what is shifting here with this power card. I am sensing this is an energetic shift or a planetary shift or something on those lines. It's happening with a lot of power, okay? Like it's literally like I'm getting the universe is ending this entire journey of yours, which has been full of pain, okay, in terms of love. All right, you have healed, you have healed actually. You've become perhaps a new person, a more bold person, a more daring person in terms of love. All right, and because you have come to that point, if you haven't come to that point yet, pile number 2, you are, this healing is ending and you are coming in, okay? You're coming into this sort of a energy, okay? The Fool energy, meaning someone who is unfettered, fearless, knowing that they are going to get their due, no baggage, basically. Yeah, I'm getting a huge sense of like, you've done a lot of shadow work, a lot of healing, and now you're going to be coming out feeling free as a bird, light as a feather. This is what I'm getting. Hopeful, sunny, joyful. And you don't need love to make you feel like that. Pile number 2. Okay? You're coming into self-love, a beautiful sense of self-love. All right? And I am getting that, this is like power. You're coming into self-empowerment, pile 2. Okay? And that is a beautiful energy for anyone, to be in terms of any area. Okay? There is a new beginning and a new you that is emerging next, in terms especially of love. Okay, no longer are you going to be holding baggage, projecting your fears on the recent or new connections. You're not going to be going back to the past and feeling sad about it. You are freeing yourself of baggage, guys, big time. Okay, and now the path to your love life is opening up, like the true path where you find your true love. All right, I'm very intrigued by the Power card, okay, as well. I see two pieces of lightning here. This is literally telling me of, like, this is only like couple that I see here. What I'm getting here is that now that you have done with this shadow work, healing, some of you are still going through it, so take it as it resonates. It will be in stages. All right, so some of you are still going through it, but for the ones who have just gotten out of this healing phase, okay, you are entering a very powerful time in terms of your love life, okay, where you are going to be manifesting. You are going to be manifesting and co-creating your love life with the universe, going for your dream fearlessly, okay, not having anyone try to pull you down in terms of, like, oh, you might not get it because you're like this, or you're at a certain age, or you're this or that. Okay, you are coming out a different person. You're coming out a very fearless person, and bravo for that, Pile 2. Okay, you are getting out of these shadows now, and you are going into personal empowerment. Okay, and I am sensing that in the future, they're just giving me a little bit of hint because it's all dark here with lightning. You are going to find, this is a little later, not immediately, not next, okay, a little later, you are going to be finding a person who's equally powerful, okay, just like you, equally fearless, just like you, someone who has also done their shadow work, someone who's your soulmate, someone whom the universe is going to give to you as a gift for doing all of this work, and also something that's going to be very unexpected. I mean, here you are skipping around with the Fool card, saying that I'm free, I don't want to be with anyone anymore. Yeah, I am getting that for some of you. You guys might be in this attitude that I don't want anyone, I don't want anyone in love, okay? It's just a headache. Okay, and you're gonna be like feeling like this, and then boom, like something happens, Wow, I just love this, okay? This is what the spirit is saying, that the person who will come into your life later is someone who will come suddenly, someone who will be just a lot like you, not just, but a lot like you, in terms of being brave in love, in terms of being authentic in love, okay? And then you're gonna take a leap of faith towards that person. But what's coming next, if I were to recap, pile number 2, you are coming into liberation. Okay, you're coming into liberation from misery, okay, from any past conditionings, hurts, all of those things. It's possible that till now you did not even conceive. I mean, you could still be in that stage where you can't conceive of yourself ever getting rid of the past, but you are, and you will, okay, and it's not very far. What are the numbers? I'm seeing 10. Oh, I'm seeing 2 10s, and this is also, the Fool is 0. It could be any time now, I feel. Some of you have already come into this space, okay, and some of you are coming into it maybe in 1 month or 1 week, okay. A beautiful sense of self-love, power, authenticity, and lightness of being is what I'm hearing, because you've cut away all this baggage now. All right, so that you can be ready for a beautiful and powerful new connection in the future. There's still some time before you come across this, but just being in this phase for you guys, pile 2, is going to feel amazing, okay? Spirit is telling you to focus on yourself right now, okay? Be free, be wild, be free, okay? Be unfettered. Because you are now going to be going on the right track in terms of finding true love, okay? Not that you were on the wrong track earlier. I believe that every experience teaches us things, but now you're finally on the path to your true love, like the right person is what I'm hearing. Okay, so like they are giving you a message to please focus on yourself, on self-love. Okay, don't go back to the past, don't go back to patterns, don't repeat patterns, don't go back to the past, don't think negative. You're coming into freedom. Okay, and when you are free, it's almost like she's wearing white, right? And in anything white, you can paint it any color, right? You are coming into the slate white clean sort of a phase. And when the next person you meet is going to be the person who you really want, okay, or the universe wants for you, and that's going to happen very suddenly and very powerfully. Okay, till then, pile number 2, please enjoy yourself, please enjoy your freedom, please. I'm getting a sense of like, go shopping, enjoy your looks, have like spa massages or something like that. Just leave all this behind, okay? Because you're headed on a very beautiful track now in terms of love. Okay, that's what I'm getting for you, pile number 2. Okay. Okay, so pile 3 with the red jasper. Let's see what spirit wants to let you know about your love life, or what's coming next in love. Let's see. Wow, delight, what a beautiful card. 6 of Pentacles, yin, okay, and 5 of Wands. Okay, okay, so pile number 3, what's coming next in love? See, I feel you guys are in this energy right now, maybe. I mean, if you have someone in mind, I do feel there's someone you know here, because I'm seeing 2 people. Okay. Maybe there has been a conflict, okay, between you and another person. If you don't know this person, pile number 3, if you don't know anyone as such in terms of love, or you're not looking at anyone, then this might be something like an internal conflict, okay, going on, maybe because of something. I do feel with the yin card here that, see, you guys are very loving people, okay, you're very romantic. Okay, this is like pink, it's like the yin is the divine feminine energy. It's also number 2, partnership. So I really feel you guys are very romantic, okay, and love gives you a lot of delight. You look forward to it, you really want to be in love, is what I would say, pile number 3, and that's beautiful, okay. But I'm getting 2 scenarios here. One is that, see, if you already have someone in mind, there might be a little bit of a conflict that you have gone through. And if you don't have anyone in mind, this might be some sort of an internal conflict going on in terms of like, am I going to find someone, this or that? Maybe other people's opinions are affecting you. I don't know. But there seems to be some sort of a conflicting energy here. Okay? So let's go with, let's say you don't have anyone. Okay, let's go with scenario 2, or let's label it 1. Okay, so if you guys have been like feeling as though nothing's gonna happen, you've been waiting and you want love so bad, it cheers you up so much, you want to give so much, you want to get so much. Okay. Okay, the spirit is saying that there's no need of having any sort of worst case scenarios, in terms of love. There's a very delightful and beautiful time coming in your life, okay, in love next, okay. And for the people who have had some sort of a conflict with their person, honestly, I'm seeing everything is going to be beautiful in the future. Okay, so there's no need to really focus on this, okay. If you are focusing on this, if you're having internal conflicts, if you're having doubts, this and that, there is really no need, spirit is saying, okay. Because what's coming next in love, honestly, after some time, I do sense, okay, with this yin card, I feel next in love, you're just going to be in love, like in general, if that's even there. Like I'm getting the phrase like in love with love. For people who are single, I feel you're just gonna be like dreaming, like this little birdie is like dreaming. She's looking forward to like all the beautiful things that can come in her life, right? Yeah. So I'm getting that a lot of you are going to be this beautiful flowy sort of an energy, okay, where you're in love with love, or you're in love with someone and you're just going with the flow. I am sensing any conflicts are going to be ironed out when you're in this energy. This is a very receptive energy that you're going to be in. I'm not seeing too much of action taken here, okay. I'm just seeing go with the flow, all right. Go with the flow, feel the love, all right, that sort of sense. I am getting a big message here that any conflicts that if you have been in a connection, any conflicts that you've had with your person are getting ironed out, because we're going from 5 of Wands to 6 of Pentacles, which is balance. Okay, so if you guys are single, any of your doubts and stuff are going away. You're going to start like looking forward to love in a very positive way, okay, in a very delightful way, and feeling the love. Like literally, I'm literally getting this like a very dreamy energy. Maybe you guys are gonna be daydreaming a lot or something like that, okay. And if you guys already know someone and you're probably in separation, or you've had some sort of a conflict, you guys are going to be back in love, like both of you, okay. But I am not sensing, I'm honestly not sensing too much of like contact or exchange for some time, because yin is the energy of like, like just going with the flow, okay. So I am sensing this is some sort of timeout situation after some sort of a conflict, but I really feel that this is ironing out very soon, okay. That's next in love. Any conflicts you've had with your person are ironing out soon, okay, and you're going to be feeling very much in love, honestly. Like this card is literally like attracting me so much. There are rose petals, there's pink all over the place, okay. There is a lot of love you guys are going to be feeling, and with it is going to come a lot of delight, okay. Like I am seeing this bird, like the way it's perched. You're going to be looking forward to love, is what I'm sensing. Looking forward to love, all right. Being in a very dreamy and basically a dreamy energy. I am seeing with the 6 of Pentacles, there might be a few exchanges here and there, very balanced exchanges, okay, very loving, very balanced exchanges, all right. There is a message here from Spirit as well to that there might not be too much action happening next, okay, but whatever action does happen, it's going to be on a very balanced, polite, beautiful and soft energy. Soft, that's the sense I'm getting. Okay, it's like, I don't know, I am getting, it's like building up for the future, okay, some kind of healing and building up for the future. Now pile number 3, I'm also getting very drawn to this 6 of Pentacles, okay. There is some beautiful blessing in love coming your way, okay. Like Spirit is not telling me this, they're telling you to just keep a watch out for this, okay. Don't let the past affect you in any way. If there have been problems, there is a beautiful gift that the universe is giving to you and to another person, your partner, okay. This is what is coming next after some time, I do sense, okay, and it's going to make you very happy, very delighted. Okay, this is a beautiful energy. Oh my god, I don't know, like they're not giving me too much in terms of tangibility. I'm just seeing the greens and the blues, communication, love, reciprocation. Like there is a very beautiful connection that Spirit wants to give to you. And this person and you are going to be like in a equal give and take situation, okay. if you know this person, maybe you guys have been like in a bit of a conflict earlier, previously, but now it's going to be fully balanced. You are receiving some sort of beautiful balanced connection, and you also are getting into balance. Pile number 3. Okay, this is like, wow. This is a very different energy, to be honest. Okay, I am sensing that you guys, like both you and your person, okay, have come into balance within, all right, and you've kind of like given everything to the universe, and now the universe is going to be gifting you. I think you guys might know this on some level, okay, because with the yin card, this is the card of like intuition, right? The feminine energy. I think you know this somewhere, that there is a balance that has been achieved in terms of your internal self, okay, and now your external world is going to be bringing you a very beautiful balanced love connection. This is a gift that you are going to be receiving from the universe, okay? This is like directly from the universe, okay? They're not telling me too much about your person here. This is between you and the universe, honestly. Pile 3, okay? You and God. You asked God for something, maybe you wished for someone, okay, someone specific maybe for some of you, and now Spirit is giving them to you like with open hands. All right, if till now I do sense you guys have had a lot of struggles, maybe struggles with other people, this and that, and somehow this is all, has been related to love. I really feel you've fought very hard in terms of love, okay, and for quite some time. All right, but now finally what's coming next in love is a time for you to enjoy the gifts of your hard work and labor, okay, to delight in love. All right, to delight in love of, an equal love, a love that is as involved or as in love with you as you are with them, okay? And this is something that the universe is giving you as a reward for all your efforts, for all your waiting, for your efforts and all of that. This is your wish fulfillment, and it's being gifted to you from the divine. Okay, honestly, I don't know why the divine stepped in here. Like, I'm not getting too much about your person, except maybe that obviously this is like a card of balance, equal give and take. This is something that the universe is giving to them as well. Okay, this is like both of you, two people are getting the gift of a beautiful love. All right, that is what I'm getting. There is still some time, maybe 2 months. Okay, what are the numbers I have here? 5, 6 and 2, 5 and 6. So between maybe in 2 months, maybe in 5 months, maybe in 6 months. Okay, take it as it fits, the timing. But a very beautiful phase is coming up next in your life, guys. Okay, like you are going to be gifted, like you're going to be gifted by the universe. All right, like this is a promise that the universe has given to you, is what I'm hearing. All right, and how can the divine go back on their promise? I think you have been expecting this for quite some time, and maybe you have fought battles, but it's finally going to be given to you, like right there, okay, right in your hands. Okay, and then I'm seeing like, oh my god, so much love here. This pile is like overflowing with love, honestly. It's something you have been waiting for very long. Look at this little birdie. Like, so much hope has gone into this, so much effort, so much love. Okay, and now is the time finally. I don't know, I'm getting with this like something is aligning, okay, in the universe. Okay, and now you are going to get your gift. Like if I were to recap, the main message over here is the universe is granting you your wish in terms of love. And whatever waiting time you guys are in right now, you're going to be feeling very like relaxed, okay, relaxed, hopeful, in love, dreamy, okay. And if you've had any kind of conflicting energy within you or in terms of your external world, that you're flowing out of that as well, okay. You're flowing out of that. You're coming into a very beautiful state of like surrender. It's the yin. the surrender form, all right? And then it's going to be time for, like, I don't know, union, time for gift giving, time for equal give and take, blessings from the universe. Wow, pile number one, there is a very beautiful time coming next in your life, okay, where the universe is going to be blessing you with the love of your life, okay? But during the time that you are waiting, there is a little bit of wait, okay? During the time you're waiting, you're going to be in a very beautiful, hopeful, and in love, dreamy energy. Okay. I am seeing that it's like a beautiful flow state is what I would say. They're not telling me much more than that, okay? They're just saying that just wait for it. You'll be delighted very soon, okay? The universe is like going to be giving to you with open hands now, okay? Like full swing. Okay, so this is what is coming next in love for you. Pile 3, wow. Okay, wish you all the best. Bye bye.